Alright guys, welcome to this week's video. Sorry about my voice, I've been ungodly sick for about a week, but we got some work to do to the mini bike. If you guys watched last week's video, we did a number to this thing. The throttle is super stiff and it just sticks. You can see, just completely broken. Also, the foot peg broke off. Clutch blew up. The kickstand has been broken for a little bit. And then I got kind of matching grips. I got a gray one to match that one. But first, we gotta wash this thing because she's a little dirty.
There goes a sight from my soul. Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight, there goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Okay, so now that we got the foot peg welded back on, I do gotta spray with some black paint, but I wanna go ahead and get this throttle tube on to replace that one. Alrighty, so I just threw the new twist throttle on, got the grip on it, and then I got another gray grip over here. So what else we have to do is, this is for the kickstand, this is just the spring for it, and then the clutch also blew up well at Jim's Creek, so I gotta replace this. Alright, so we already got the twist throttle on, we did the foot peg, and we still got to do the clutch and the kickstand spring. So I'm going to go ahead, take the old clutch off. I'm going to take the snap ring off right here, take this clutch apart, and then oil it, throw it on, and then we can put the whole clutch back together, and hopefully that'll fix our driving issue. So I ordered the wrong size shaft bore. See, that is a lot smaller than that. So now I gotta order another clutch. Alright, so the mini bike's been on pause for about 2 days now because, like I said, I ordered the wrong clutch. I ordered a 7/8 bore. This is what was on it. This is a 3/4 bore. Not only that, but what are these called? The pins, I forgot what they're called, but the pin bent on the chain, and also the clip got lost, so I ordered a couple new ones. I had a bunch of extra ones, but Soren's dirt bike kept blowing them, and I just kept handing them out. So I went ahead and ordered new master links and a new clutch, because this one is blowing up right now. They get here Thursday. I need them here Wednesday, because that's when I need this video to be out. sometimes Amazon works their magic, get you your stuff a day early. So if they get here Wednesday, that would be a dream come true. So I can get this video on Wednesday too. All right, new clutch is here, and it fits. Not only that, we also got our new master links. So let's go ahead, bolt this clutch up. Actually, take it apart, oil it, bolt the clutch up, get the cover on, get the chains on, get all that. Make sure she still runs. Take her for a little test drive. Just put this cover on, not realizing I need it off to get the main chain on. Okay, so now that the chain is put all back together, there's one last thing we gotta do. We gotta tighten that. All right, well, this thing is officially unclapped. We got matching grips, new throttle, new master link with a fresh chain tighten, got a new clutch on it, and got the new kickstand spring on this thing, along with the fact we re-welded on a part of the frame. So I'm gonna go ahead, open the garage door, and go ahead and start this puppy up. Not even kidding you, this thing started the first bolt. Obviously, this thing is cold, so I can't really rev it, but yeah, this thing just started first bolt. Alright, I went ahead, just let this thing run for about a minute because it hasn't really ran since Jim's Creek. And unfortunately, we can't take it up and down the road because it is raining right now. And bald back tires don't do good in the rain or really any type of slickness, as we found out at Jim's Creek. So it looks like we're going to have to wait till tomorrow to test drive this thing. But we have officially fixed everything wrong on this mini bike. Alright guys, it is the next day. And I didn't wake up in time, so I missed the bus for school. So we're gonna make the best out of this no school day, I guess, and finish up this video. All right, so yeah, like I said, I missed the school bus. But we're gonna go ahead and take this thing down the road and make sure she's all good, so that I don't get sued when I sell this thing. Oh, throttle's barely sticking now, that's good. Let's see, does she still wheelie? Kinda. Yeah, I really don't want to get muddy right now. Surprised we're not spinning out too bad here. I'm sure we could if I tried. Yeah. Oh. Bad idea to go on this trail because I knew it was going to be muddy. I gotta wash this thing again. Alright, my back is just covered in mud now. Alright, let's get this thing out. Should not have worn the Hey Dudes, boys. God damn it. And I can't even wipe it on my clothes because these are my school clothes. Alright, we're gonna try to make it up this. Keyword, try. Oh. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Oh. Uh-oh. Not sure what that's about. Alright, well I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you comment, subscribe, share this video with all your friends. Check out the second channel, subscribe to my Instagram. I got a lot of videos coming out here soon. Me and with the help of Bryson's dad, we're going to be fixing the 4-tracks here soon. So, more 4-wheeler content coming soon. But, yeah, we got to go ahead and get this thing lifted.